Of the Sabrina Limon trial, 23 ABC's Alicia Patillo is at the Kern County Courthouse with reaction from Limon's family and their shock over the guilty verdict.
But first, we are going to check in with 23 ABC's Chloe Nordquist, who is in the courtroom this morning. She has a full breakdown of this decision for us tonight. Chloe.
Mike and Jackie, Sabrina Limon was found guilty on 4 of 6 felony charges against her, including first-degree murder. It took over a day of deliberation, but a verdict was reached yesterday afternoon, and this morning that verdict was read. Guilty.
Juror number 1.
Yes.
Number 2.
Yes.
3.
Yes.
Sabrina Limon hiding beneath her hair, tissue in hand this morning as the verdict was read aloud in court. Deputy District Attorney Eric Smith said this decision was a long time coming.
Evidence came out the way I wanted it to, and then the result is, of course, what I wanted. So,
we, the jury and panel to try the above entitled cause, find the defendant, Sabrina Limon, guilty of a felony to wit, murder of Robert Limon.
Sabrina's defense attorney, Richard Terry, dropping his head as she was convicted of first-degree murder. This charge alone could mean 25 years to life in prison for the death of her husband, Robert, who was shot by Jonathan Hearn in Tehachapi in 2014. Sabrina was convicted of 3 more charges: conspiring to commit a crime, soliciting to commit murder, and accessory.
Sabrina Limon informed Jonathan Hearn that Robert Limon would be working in Tehachapi, California on August 17, 2014, that Jonathan Hearn shot and killed Robert Limon on August 17, 2014.
She was found not guilty on charges of attempting murder and mingling harmful substances in food or drink.
Find it to be not true that Sabrina Limon placed the pudding with arsenic into Robert Limon's lunch.
Finally, closure in a case that has left family and friends of Robert Limon confused since his death.
it's all about justice for the families. That's what we're here for. As it relates to me, it has nothing to do with me. It has to do with them being able to move on, to have that closure, to have justice for their families, and that's what it's about.
Eric Smith talks about justice for those families, and we spoke to Robert Limon's family and friends outside the courthouse this morning. We have more on what they said on our website, turn223.com. Sabrina Limon's sentencing is set for November 3rd. Live in downtown Bakersfield, Chloe Nordquist, 23 ABC.